Hi, I'm Claudia and this is ShaderCat. I'm going to make a few videos about some interesting new Unity features, which are being introduced in the latest Unity Beta 2018.1. The first one is the Unity Hub. This little tool solves a common problem which you often encounter when using Unity with multiple projects. Have you got like 5 different versions of Unity installed, at least? Is it hard to remember which project should be opened with which Unity version? This is the problem that the Unity Hub solves. It will let you download, install and uninstall different Unity versions and remember which project should be opened with which version. It will also let you install and uninstall additional components for some version of Unity you have. It's basically a dashboard to manage all your Unity versions and all your Unity projects from one place. It will also let you create new projects using the version of Unity you want and giving you access to new templates, such as the high definition, lightweight and lightweight VR templates, which are using a new feature called the scriptable render loop, which we'll talk about in a later video. To get started using the Unity Hub, just download it from this page, from the Unity blog, and then add your existing Unity versions to it, like this. Then you can install any other Unity version you want from the latest ones, like this. You can create a new project using the template and the version of Unity you want, among those loaded up on Unity Hub. Finally, you just need to remember to open Unity Hub instead of one of the various Unity installs which you have sprinkled around within your hard drive. And that is all for today. If you like shaders, I have a book out now called Physically Based Shader Development for Unity 2017. And I will have some book supporting materials up on Gumroad soon. Thank you, bye!